Today we're going to take a look at Anuroctonus phaiodactylus, sometimes called the Mafia Scorpion. This scorpion lives in parts of southern California, southern Nevada, western Arizona, and western Utah. The Mafia Scorpion is a fossorial scorpion, which means it's going to be digging burrows into the ground. The Mafia Scorpion rarely leaves its burrow, preferring instead to wait for prey to enter the burrow. This means that the scorpion rarely uses its stinger in order to subdue its prey, relying instead on its powerful pedipalps, those front pinchers on the scorpion. This also means that the scorpion is less likely to sting defensively and that the venom toxicity is low. A quick and dirty rule for determining the danger presented by a scorpion is to look at those front pinchers. The larger they are, the less likely that scorpion is to be highly venomous. Here in the United States, the most dangerous scorpion that you might encounter is the Arizona bark scorpion. I highly recommend researching for yourself all of the dangerous animals that you might encounter in your area. Because the Mafia scorpion spends most of its time in its burrow, most of the scorpions that you catch using a black light will be male scorpions, as they have left their burrows to find mates. Catching a female Mafia scorpion will likely require the use of a shovel and fishing line or similar device to follow the tunnel. The tunnel is carefully excavated following the line until the scorpion is found. Scorpions and other arachnids belong to a group called Chelicerata, named for their claw-like chewing mouthparts. While spiders have modified their chelicera into a single claw called a fang, scorpions maintain both ends and have what are called chelate chelicera. Here you can see the scorpion using its chelicera to tear apart its prey. Because the Mafia scorpion rarely uses its venom, the prey is consumed alive, well subdued by the pedipalps. Occasionally, this unfortunate beetle larva, known as a superworm, tries to fight back, using its own mandibles to retaliate. These animals can be kept with fairly low maintenance for several years. They should be provided with enough substrate to dig a burrow. As a nocturnal creature with a wide range, they have a fairly wide tolerance for temperature variation. If additional heat is provided, under-tank heat should be avoided, as the scorpions will burrow deeper to avoid the heat. Instead, use ambient heat, or overhead heat. As desert organisms, they are very sensitive to excess humidity and can die very quickly if kept too wet. To prevent this from happening, I keep the scorpions on a large amount of substrate, pouring in a moderate amount of water every month or so. Using this technique, I have maintained both Mafia and yellow ground scorpions, Vajovis confucius, for multiple years. Scorpions are provided with live arthropods for food as needed. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any additional questions, feel free to post them in the comments. Make sure to watch my other videos as well, and enjoy.